Hi and welcome to the second tutorial on the downloading the zip files for the bear group for AMEA. Today we'll try to use Microsoft Edge. So this will be a learning experience for both of us because I've never actually used it before. So let's get it started. We'll open up Microsoft Edge so we can go into the Facebook group. So we'll go into Facebook and get that up. Okay, so let's go into the bear group. Now, so again, different web browser doesn't mean much in regards to how you navigate the web. So we just go to the files. Let's pick something different this time. We'll find a zip. So bare faces looks alright to me. So what we'll do, we'll click on that, and oh, no pictures. That's alright, we'll find out what they are. So what we'll do is we will download. So hit download. This one here looks like we can hit save. And I'm going to open folder, which will give us exactly what it's downloaded. Now these here are the old ones, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete them. We don't need them anymore. So barefaces.zip with a P. All we have to do, right click, rename, and go to the end of it with the right arrow key on the keyboard, hit backspace once and then hit enter. Do you wish to save changes? Yes I do. And this time, instead of using WinRAR, we're going to use the WinZip program that's built into Windows 10. Pretty easy, similar stuff. So we'll double click on the zip file. Now, as you can see, we've got extract, compress folder tools. So we can click on that and we can click on extract all. So that way it will, or you can just click that and it will just come up like that. So you click on extract all. Now this is going to save it into this here, which is downloads bare faces. Show extracted files when complete. Yeah, why not? And we'll hit extract. That will do its thing. And all of a sudden in downloads, we've got the zip still. And we've got bare faces. So we can double click into these. We've got face and heart, face and buttons, bear 1 and bear 2. We can double click into these things, and as you can see, we've got all of the machine type files that are there ready to go. And that way, it's that simple and that easy for using the Windows 10 zip program as well as Microsoft Edge. So that's about all there is to it. And in the next one, we will go for Google Chrome.